Mannequin in the window glow, spinning slow, a silent show. Veil sheds light, a fading white. Rose dust turns to cobalt night. Practicing the vows I'll never say. Each layer falls a piece astray. My own reflection, cold and stark. This borrowed dress just leaves its mark. It doesn't fit, the seams are tight. Something's wrong within this lie. I'm the future ex-wife. The dress don't fit my life. I'm the future ex-wife. Watch me step out the light. Shedding skin, where do I begin? This masquerade is wearing thin. Imagined altar, empty pew. Walking out, the sky is blue. Tuxedo sharp as silhouette. Promises I can't forget. Gold laminate begins to gleam. A broken, brilliant, waking dream. I practiced this goodbye 100 times tonight. Each step I take feels perfectly right. No tears will fall, no voice will crack. There is no turning back. I'm the future ex-wife. The dress don't fit my life. I'm the future ex-wife. Watch me step out the light. Shedding skin, where do I begin? This masquerade is wearing thin. Solo dance, a mirrored floor, spinning faster than before. Gold dust falls, a broken pane, washing out the wedding stain. This vow is mine, a silent plea for the person I'm meant to be. Ex-wife of who I used to be. No more borrowed dreams, just my own decree. Stepping out into the neon haze, leaving behind these empty days. This broken window, my new start with a brand new unwritten heart.